Hey, Al, what's going on? What's that? You see your birdies? Yep. Looking up at the birdies. You always talk to the birdies. What do you say? You say something special? What do you say? It's like, oh! What? Whoa! That's a new one. You made a loud noise like a caw. Try that one? Ah! What did the birdies do? Oh, they don't yawn. They're not tired. You just woke up. You're not tired either. Ugh. Oh. Oh, you can't be sleepy. Look at those chubby legs. Show off those chubby legs. Yes. You gonna kick? See, we're never up here on the changing table this long. Where's your loud noise? You just made a loud noise. We probably don't want to have that duplicated too much inside, huh? Oh! What kind of noises are you making? Mama blew on you. Yes, you're such a happy girl, taking good naps, sleeping so well. That makes you happy. You get a good rest. Everyone's happy, right? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Don't be cross-eyed. Okay. Too much video. Bye.